If you are a fleet manager, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your fleet management business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, pricing, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your fleet management business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you it's real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here, I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: get alert, log vehicle issue and talk to support. I'm going to click on get alert. To get alert, they have sent me a message in which they mention that get real-time alert, stay notified, on the go, stay in control wherever your vehicle go. You can instantly subscribe to the following alert. Choose the alert you wanted to subscribe. I will open the list and choose the alert. With their description they have provided me, I'm going to select route diversion alert and I'm going to send that. As soon as I have selected my alert, they want few details like vehicle number. I will enter that. As soon as I have entered my vehicle number, they have sent me a message in which they mention that alert will be delivered right here on WhatsApp in real time. Track NGO. Stay alert, stay ahead. With that, they have provided me one action button which says menu. I'm going to select that. As soon as I have selected my menu option, I got initial message again. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for fleet management, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your fleet management business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow: start, keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use Regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and over here, I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that welcome to TrackGo Fleet Solutions, smart, relatable, real-time fleet visibility. We help you manage, track and optimize your entire fleet without endless call or delay. What would you like to do today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, get alert, log vehicle issue and talk to support. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. For that, let's start with get alert. To give real-time alert, for that I'm going to drag and drop list option and connect with my action button. Over here, I'm going to enter my header, body and footer like this, where I have entered my header as get real-time alert. For my body, I have entered stay notified, on the go, stay in control. Wherever your vehicles go, you can instantly subscribe to the following alert. Choose the alert you want to subscribe to. Now to put option, I'm going to click on add section and here I'm going to add the title as alerts. After that, I'm going to add my item, overspeeding alert, and I have also entered my description as get notified when any vehicle exceeds the speed limit. Now similarly, I'm going to add 3 more items like route, diversion alert, unauthorized stop alert, maintenance due alert. And with that, I have also provided their description. Now to provide personalized alert, I need to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that to activate alert, please share vehicle number. And I'm going to connect this question with every item and I'm going to select my contact custom field as details and my format as any. After knowing vehicle number of my customer, I'm going to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, where I have mentioned that alert will be delivered right here on WhatsApp in real time. Track new go, stay alert, stay ahead. And with that, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. Now let's move to our second action button, which is log vehicle issue. For that, I need to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button and here I'm going to enter my message. Found a problem, let us know right away. Please share vehicle number or tracker ID. I'm going to select my contact custom field as vehicle number and I'm going to select my format as any. After knowing about vehicle number, I want to know about the issue they are facing. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and here I'm going to enter my message. Type of issue, engine, brake, GPS, AC, other. I'm going to select my contact custom field as issue and my format as any. After knowing about issue, I want my customer to describe their issue. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here enter my message, brief description. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as details and my format as any. After knowing each and everything about the issues, I'm going to send them a message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I tell my customer that your ticket will be logged, a technician will be assigned within 30 minutes, and I'm going to add an action button which says menu. Here I'm going to connect my menu button with my initial message as I have told you earlier. Now I'm going to put separate message for our last action button, which is talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button, and here I'm going to enter my message. Need help with a tracker, downtime or reporting? Our support team respond within 15 to 20 minutes between 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday. And with that also I'm going to add an action button which says menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for fleet management business. On to our last step, don't forget to activate your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.